Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones, exploring the newly leaked details about DJI's upcoming innovation, the DJI Flip Drone, slated to make its debut in 2025. With groundbreaking design and features, this drone could redefine the mid-range market and open new possibilities for both beginner and experienced pilots alike. Let's dissect everything we know so far and speculate on what makes this model a game-changer. Compact and innovative design. The DJI Flip Drone is expected to bring a fresh perspective to drone design. Leaks and FCC filings suggest that this compact drone will feature built-in propeller guards and inclusion that speaks volumes about DJI's focus on safety and usability. Unlike traditional drones that prioritize sleek exteriors or advanced aerodynamics, the Flip appears tailored for practicality. These guards not only protect the propellers, but also allow for smoother flights in tight spaces. For urban dwellers or those who enjoy indoor flying, this safety feature could be a game-changer. Moreover, its compact design makes it highly portable. Enthusiasts often grapple with finding a drone that balances performance with ease of transport. The DJI Flip seems to cater to this niche, appealing to adventurers, vloggers, and hobbyists who prioritize functionality without sacrificing mobility. Safety and accessibility. Safety remains a cornerstone of the Flip's appeal. The propeller guards make it ideal for crowded environments or risky terrains, ensuring peace of mind for users. This drone could be perfect for beginners nervous about their first flights or experienced pilots looking for reliable options in tighter spaces. It's evident that DJI is pushing boundaries to make drones more approachable, and the Flip drone could become a flagship for this philosophy. Battery innovation for extended flight times. One of the most intriguing revelations from FCC filings is the Flip's powerful 3,110 mAh battery. This significant upgrade promises flight times exceeding 20 minutes, edging close to the 23-minute benchmark set by the DJI Avata 2. Extended airtime opens up opportunities for various applications, from leisurely exploration to professional-grade photography sessions. For those who have previously used entry-level drones like the DJI Neo, this improvement alone might justify an upgrade. Camera features. What could we expect? While the Flip's exact camera specifications remain under wraps, its positioning in DJI's lineup suggests enhancements that could rival some professional-grade drones. Speculations point toward features like improved stabilization, higher resolution, and perhaps even HDR capabilities borrowed from the DJI Avata 2. With these upgrades, Flip could cater to content creators seeking exceptional image quality without breaking the bank. If DJI integrates features like a wide field of view or enhanced low-light performance, the Flip could become the ideal companion for travelers and vloggers. A camera setup that bridges the gap between the beginner-friendly Neo and the advanced Avatar 2 would significantly expand its audience. A balance of simplicity and advanced features. The DJI Flip appears to strike a delicate balance between simplicity and innovation. Its rumored simplicity, paired with advanced stabilization and safety features, makes it an attractive choice for intermediate users. For those transitioning from entry-level drones, the Flip offers a significant leap in performance while maintaining user-friendly functionality. First-time drone users often face a steep learning curve. By prioritizing ease of use, DJI ensures the Flip appeals to a broader audience. Whether it's intuitive controls, seamless pairing with controllers, or enhanced safety measures, this drone could set a new standard for accessibility in the mid-range category. Portability and versatility. In addition to its compact design, the Flip's lightweight structure promises portability without compromising durability. Outdoor adventurers and travelers often look for drones that can withstand rugged conditions while being easy to carry. If the Flip lives up to these expectations, it might become a go-to option for users prioritizing convenience. Versatility is another highlight. By catering to diverse needs, whether casual flying, photography, or vlogging, the Flip's adaptability could set it apart in an increasingly competitive market. Competitive pricing, the final puzzle piece. Pricing will undoubtedly play a crucial role in the Flip's success. DJI has a history of offering products that strike a balance between affordability and cutting-edge technology. If the Flip manages to stay within a mid-range price bracket, it could appeal to a vast spectrum of users, from hobbyists to semi-professional pilots. A competitive price point, combined with its innovative features, would position the Flip as a strong contender in its category. It's a strategic move for DJI to attract both newcomers and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Final thoughts: a potential game changer. The DJI Flip Drone's rumored features hint at a product designed to redefine expectations in the mid-range market. By combining safety, portability, and performance, it bridges the gap between entry-level and high-end drones. Its compact design, impressive battery capacity, and beginner-friendly features make it a versatile option for a wide audience. Whether you're a first-time flyer exploring new heights or an experienced pilot seeking a portable option, the DJI Flip has the potential to be a game changer. As we await official announcements, one thing is clear: DJI's commitment to innovation and market adaptability remains unparalleled. Could this drone be the perfect blend of accessibility, performance, and creativity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates on the DJI Flip and other cutting-edge technologies here on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth insights into the latest tech trends. Until next time, happy flying!